How to fix no sound problems in Windows Silence. No music, no notification chimes, nothing at all. Before assuming your speakers died, work through this list because the answer is usually embarrassingly simple. Start with output selection. Click the volume icon in the taskbar and check which device is selected. Because Windows loves switching to a monitor or a Bluetooth headset you're not wearing, pick the right one. Then check per app volume in Settings, Sound, Volume Mixer, since a single application can be muted while everything else works. Next, run the built-in troubleshooter by right-clicking the volume icon, which genuinely fixes a fair number of cases. If there's still nothing, open Device Manager and look at Sound Controllers. A warning symbol means a driver problem, so uninstall the device, tick delete the driver, and restart to let Windows reinstall it. Also restart the Windows audio service and check the cable, port, and mute button.